Welcome back to the Limit Factor. I'm Chad, and today I'm with our 10th generation Honda Accord 2019 Honda Accord 2.0 Touring with the new FK8 Hybrid Turbo, the 27WON KURO. A couple weeks ago, we tested the 0 to 60 with some disappointing results. Disappointing as far as the times are concerned, but we still learned a lot. The car has a lot of power, but it has a little too much power for a front-wheel drive car with no limited slip differential to get traction, and it just spins early on. And then it makes up for it later on. But we're here today at Bandimere Speedway in Morrison, Colorado, and we're going to test out our Kuro at the quarter-mile track. We're going to see how fast it is. We're going to see how much it's improved since last year when we had our Phearable Stage 3, and I'm expecting to learn a lot. So I'm going to do a lot of data logs. I'm going to see how much boost we peak at. I want to see what the timing looks like. I want to see if I can get traction. Maybe it's going to turn out that I really need to get some slicks, but I do have some ideas in mind on what to do to get some additional traction. But with that said, I'll shut up. Let's get in the car, let's get on the track, and let's see what this car can do. All right, this is it. Number one run on the Kuro. It's not really the way I wanted to start it. I got a P003A, I think it was. Let it cool down a little bit, give it another run. But that first run was a 13.58. But my 60 foot was horrible at 2.282. If you like this video, if you found it helpful, if you found it entertaining, if you want to help support the Lemon Factor, please consider hitting that super thanks button that can be found at the bottom of the video. Warning lights, that's good. Damn it, warning lights. It's horrible. 13,985, but at a 107. I've increased my trap speed by 7 miles per hour. Not what I was hoping for. So I thought if I gave it less RPM, so not 3,000, it was more about 2,000, 2,500. I was trying to feather it right before. It wasn't a good run. I let some more air out of the tires. So now I'm at 29 PSI for this third run. I don't know why I keep getting a code at the very end. It's the race is over, I'm putting brakes on, and all of a sudden I'm flipping a code. So I wish this turned out better. It's turning out just like the 0 to 60 testing we did a couple weeks ago. Just traction's an issue. You know what though? It's the first time we've taken the car out after being tuned. We need to figure out how to work with this bigger turbo, this Kuro Turbo. Yes, an LSD would be great, but we can't, or at least one's not available for the 10-speed. There's a couple other things that I'm thinking about doing. I already have in the works to see if we can get some better traction. Go, baby! Go! Come on! Ah, that damn Camaro caught up! Oh, that was a good race, though. I had it off the line. Damn! Oh, that sucked. 13,882. What the hell? Again, my 60 foot is worse than it's ever been at 2.2. I want to take this opportunity to mention our merch store located on Etsy. I'll leave a link in the description below. Go take a look. We have t-shirts related to our two project cars, the 10th generation Honda Accord and the Toyota Supra, as well as cars in general. I will routinely be updating the store, removing some designs and adding some fresh new designs. If you like something there, please consider purchasing. Consider supporting the channel by purchasing some merch. This is not going as I had hoped. The first run has been our best run, even though I let some air out of the tires. It doesn't seem to help. I'm spinning early on. My 60 foot is horrible. It's worse than it's ever been. I definitely make up for the tail end of the run. My trap speed has increased significantly up to 108 miles per hour. So it's there. I just need to get the power down to the ground. So I'm gonna figure out some ways to be able to do that. I also think that I'm losing power because my K control number has been increasing with every run, from 0.49 when I start to 0.7 to 0.8, and now it's at 0.9. I think I'm gonna call it quits where I am right now. I'm gonna send the data logs. I'll take a look at the data logs. I'll send some of the data logs to Derek, see what we can do about it.